When someone calls about a possible wrongful death, they're usually feeling very sad, depressed, and really heartbroken about the loss of a loved one. After a wrongful death, one of the things we do to really reduce the stress level is sit down with the family, have a conversation about what happened, and really understand the situation that led to the wrongful death. Then we can talk about options for moving forward with the case and trying to provide some semblance of recovery for the family. After a wrongful death, you may be wondering how to go about choosing a wrongful death attorney. Number one, you want to find an attorney that handles injury and death cases only. You want to find a lawyer who is experienced with the particular type of case you have and has a track record of success with those cases. You also want to hire a wrongful death trial lawyer. A trial lawyer is going to prepare the case from the beginning to present to a jury if the insurance company is not fair and reasonable about the case, and the case needs to be presented to a jury to let them determine the fair and reasonable outcome of the case. If you have a wrongful death claim, you may be putting off contacting a lawyer because you're worried about whether you can afford to hire a lawyer for your family and for your loved ones. The good news is we do free consultations. We're happy to sit and talk with you over the phone or in person to understand exactly your claim and what it's about. And we can also talk through with you a plan for moving forward. If we decide to work together, it doesn't cost anything to hire us. We work on a contingent fee, and that means we only are entitled to fees if we're successful for your case. Also, we handle the expenses of your case as we move along, so you don't have to have the burden of additional expenses that you're already dealing with. You don't have to deal with the burden of expenses of your litigation as we move forward. If you have a wrongful death case and you're wondering whether you can handle that case by yourself because you're worried about the cost associated with either hiring a lawyer or the expenses of the case, one thing I can guarantee you is that no matter what happens, you're never going to owe us a dime unless we're successful with your case. We handle all of the insurance claims and everything having to do with your case. We can take those things off your plate. You can focus on getting better.